Hello and welcome to our clueless gamers out there. I'm going to be showing you how you can increase your computer's performance just by doing some simple steps, just by disabling some things that are useless, that are running in the background, that you don't actually need. So first, we are going to go on, press the Windows key, so you can search in the Windows, and you type in services. Now this will show all the services running in the background and some of which are not running right now. So the first thing you need to disable is Windows Mobile Hotspot service so that you don't, if you're not using a laptop or if you're not actually going to hotspot anything out of your laptop so somebody else can get Wi-Fi out of your internet on your laptop, then that's just not needed. So what you need to do is just press W, mobile hotspot right here. All right. Double click it. It opens up. Oh, it opens up the properties. You press stop. It's already stopped for me. So you press stop, and then wait for it to stop, and then you disable it. And you're going to want to do the same thing for everything. So the next thing you want to disable on the services is then print spooler. So the print spooler is double click again. So what does this do? If you own a printer, you don't actually need to do this because you will not be able to use your printers. But of course, us gamers don't really need printers. We don't really want them. So I'm not using any printers at the moment. So I am not going to leave this on. I'm going to stop it and disable it again. It will save me some of my power from the CPU. And the next thing I'm going to do is disable the fax service, which is not needed at all point in time. So you just stop it, disable it again. The next thing you want to disable is downloaded mouse manager. Now, for some reason on my PC, it doesn't show. Oh, it does. Never mind. I even stopped it. I'm stupid. So I stopped it already. I disabled it. It's another Windows Service application, so you can access maps. You never use maps on your PC. You never. You just use your phone. You don't need to use it on your PC. You just get an extra like 5 to 6% more speed on your CPU, which is insanely good. So the next thing is the certificate propagation service. I don't know how to pronounce that. That's weird. So you just go to this one here. Pretty sure there's nothing else the same. Yep, propagation. So what you want to do is just stop it and disable it. So the next thing is universal telemetry client. This one, connected user experiences and telemetry. We're going to stop that and disable it. So what this feature does is just it just transfers, transfers information to Microsoft for your Windows platform um, at all times and the quality of your Windows. So you don't actually need this at all. It's just useless. It just transfers information that does it all the time in the background. This is like a major save if you disable this one. This is the major save. So the next one is the Windows Biometric service, which you can find when you press W, you go to Windows Biometric service, and you're going to need to stop and disable this one as well. So for these two, Windows Defender and Windows Update is actually optional. It's very optional. So you don't need to actually disable Windows Update, but I will show you how you can do it. Just go to Windows and you find Windows Update here. I didn't actually disable it because I don't think that it's good if you do it. You just put it to manual and it doesn't automatically do it. If you have automatic on, it would just update whenever it wants and maybe restart your PC whenever it wants. So that's bad. You actually need to put it on manual so you can actually search on your own and download on your own whenever you want. No need to have interruptions or anything like that. So I'm pretty sure that this is the best I think for Windows, because if you actually disable it, you never see any updates and you have to re-enable it to actually see updates. So I think it's better if you put it on manual. So the next thing you're going to need to do, and the last thing, is the firewall. What you're going to need to do is go to your Windows, type in firewall. And what you need to do is just go to check firewall status. We're here already. And go to turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Once you go here, you just put this on the red turn on Windows Defender firewall for both of these things, for public and private networks. What will this do? It will stop your firewall system from taking any CPU usage out of your computer, and you don't actually need this. It slows down your PC a lot, so please disable your firewall. So that's it for today. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you find some of these things useful to make your PC faster, the performance of your CPU faster, so you can game without having lags and stuff like that. Thank you for watching again, and I'll see you on the next one.